Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by clicking the chart so chart tools appear. This unlocks the controls you need. Next, inspect the worksheet range feeding the chart to make sure labels and numbers are contiguous and formatted consistently. If you expect the data to grow, convert the range to a table with Ctrl+T. That lets the chart update automatically. Once done, you're ready to edit the series or axis. Make sure the active sheet and chart type support the changes you plan to make. You now modify the series and axis ranges directly. Right-click the chart and choose Select Data, then edit the specific series to replace the values or category range with the new cell addresses. For scatter or X/Y charts, remember to update both X and Y ranges with absolute references like $1.02, $1.50 so they don't shift. To change the displayed scale, open Format Axis and set Minimum, Maximum, and Major Unit. This forces the axis to reflect the exact range you need. Finish by applying the edits and visually confirming the chart updated as expected. If data comes from an external source, refresh the connection. To avoid accidental range shifts, lock references with $ or create named ranges and use them in Select Data. If the chart doesn't show data or shifts unexpectedly, check for blanks, text entries in numeric columns, or hidden /filtered rows. Those commonly cause missing points. If issues persist, undo and re-enter the exact ranges to eliminate syntax mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.